Alright. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Maren and today's video is going to be a DIY ocean sand scrub. My outfit for this video is inspired by Cleo. I love Cleo's outfit and I also did the headband to go with it. If you guys enjoy anything mermaid related, coastal lifestyle, beachy, I will be incorporating marine biology videos and story times, like mermaid creepy stories. If you guys are interested in any of that stuff, then click the subscribe button down below. I will get into the ingredients, but I will explain why I am making this. So I recently discovered that I have eczema. So I was like, Mom, my skin keeps itching. I don't know why my skin keeps itching. She was like, it's because you have eczema. I'm like, well, you just thought to tell me now. She was like, I've always told you. So it must have slipped my mind. I don't know. I'm going to start making my own scrubs, lotions, body washes, skincare, hair stuff. I'm just going to start making my own products because my skin has just been irritated. All of my DIYs for this channel will be ocean marine related. Let's get into the first ingredient. It's going to be beach sand. If you saw from my last video, I did pick this up for my coastal morning routine. I got some sand from the beach, and if you do not live near the ocean, then they do have these on Amazon. There is sand on Amazon if you don't have access to beach sand. Our next ingredient is sea salt. This one is Celtic Sea Salt. This was the only one that was at the store, so I just grabbed this one. Sea salt does sting if you have any cuts on your skin, so just be aware. If you don't want sea salt, then you can use sugar. Our next ingredient is coconut oil. You can use any other oil. There's jojoba oil, castor oil, what else? Grapeseed, almond oil. The next ingredient is vitamin E gel. You can also use aloe vera gel. I chose to use vitamin E gel. You can use either one. Then the last ingredient we're going to be using is fragrance oils or essential oils. So you can use whatever you want. I'm just using these ones. I don't know which ones I'm going to use yet. This seaweed oil actually stinks like seaweed. You would think the kelp would stink too, but the kelp actually smells like cotton, fresh linen. That's what it smells like. But the seaweed actually stinks. But that's why I'm going to use it. I love it. I'm just going to mix it in with something sweet and see what it's going to smell like. This was all the ingredients. And then what you're going to have to use to make your sand scrub, you're going to need containers. I got these from Michael's it was in the baking section. I have a pack of 6 of them for $5.99. They're plastic and I thought that it was perfect. I didn't want anything that had logos on it. No, because I am going to be giving one to my mom. You're going to need a tablespoon, a Pyrex. You're also going to need a mixing bowl. You're going to need a baking sheet with aluminum foil and parchment paper on top of it. And then this is my notebook. I have step-by-step on what to do. I had ChatGPT help me because I needed help with like the measurements. Alright, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our sheet pan that has the aluminum foil and the parchment paper on it. So depending on the size of your container, you're going to want to equate the sand with it. So this is around 8 ounces, so I used 2/3 cup of sand. I had ChatGPT help me, so if you're not good at measurements like me. The reason why I'm using a sheet pan, because I'm going to put the sand in the oven because I want to kill off any bacteria that was on the sand, because I did get this from the beach and people's feet walk on here. I'm going to go ahead and kind of flatten it. You're going to want to put this in the oven at 250 for 30 to 45 minutes. Stir the sand every 15 minutes to ensure even heating. Let's go ahead and put this in the oven. Now that this is out of the oven, it's been 30 to 45 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and just pour this in here. Celtic Sea Salt. Since we're doing it inside of the 8 ounce, the amount of sea salt that we need is 2 tablespoons. So then we're going to take our vitamin E gel, 1.5 tablespoons of vitamin E gel. We're just going to do a half of a teaspoon. Then we're just going to put that in here. Alright, for the coconut oil, you're going to take a Pyrex, 1/4 cups of coconut oil. Pour it in here. Okay, so now that we have our sand scrub, I'm going to go ahead and add the essential oils. We're going to do our seaweed, 5 to 7 drops of the Seaweed Fragrance Oil. For our Rose Absolute Essential Oil, 3 to 4 drops of the essential oil. And then for our Enchanted Orchid, I'm just going to take 3 to 4 drops of this as well. I decided that I'm not going to go with the kelp. We're just going to do the Enchanted Orchid instead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. I'm just going to put a teensy bit more coconut oil just because I like extra moisture. You know, this doesn't smell bad when it's mixed with sweet stuff. Yeah, I don't smell the fish anymore. It feels so nice. And it's moisturizing. I can't wait to use this. I'm shaving tonight. My legs are hairy.